Okay. Hello everybody. This is a special medicament against all cancers and against AIDS and all sick in the world. It's in the glory of the God I doing this medicament, and I will now show you what go inside to break all sick in your body. So let's easy step by steps with my assistant Gigi show you what here go. So Gigi, help me small. Okay, let's go now. First we will doing how I explain. We will doing products who will talking you. Now first product is spoon. It's a spoon. So spoon going in glass 2 liter or liter and half. After that go in medicament in bad. I will talking half Serbs, half English. Badem, orasi, suvo grožđe. Look inside, yeah. Going natural of bundeva semenke. This is a lan. Yeah, inside is lan. Yeah, going. How explain? It's very good for breaks in play toxic for body. It's very good in the morning one. This is one medicament with a spoon and with a persian. Yeah, go persian inside. So next is Siberia aronia. It's curcuma, Pakistan. It is the next product is very good in combination with a spoon. It is a cimet. So it's zeolite from Serbs south or now calling Kosovo, but that is Serbs territory. So let's talk. Going ginger. Look, ginger is special aroma have, and where treating ginger, you treating with a, I'll explain, with a knife tree. So all doing with the natural, nothing metal, nothing bad energy. After this medicament, you need to pray 3 ways God, 3 ways Godmother, and 1 ways for Saint Spirit. And in the end, going Saint Water and going the Saint Oil from Nectarie Eginski, Serbs Saint Soul from South Serbia, or any calling Greece, but no Greece, that is South Serbia, yeah, in Europe. So let's doing that this medicament now. This is a map of Serbs territory where was born Serbs God in Nazareth. Nazareth, it's an old name, and it calling now. This is a part of Serbs' blood, Israel, but no Israel. Israel is no Israel. It's Serbs people. Check DNK. Every people in the world will see that all is Adam and Eva and Serbs. But here people who living in different area and any calling Russia, Americans, English. No. All is Serbs. So welcome my brothers and sisters Serbs from all over the world. This medicament is in glory of the God, and in this glory I will do this medicament. So one of my assistant, it's a spy cat in this house, not my cat. This is a James Bond name. This is assistant Gigi. And thank you God on so beautiful sunshine day, yeah. How to see my TV is very popular in my home. Very popular. All looking in TV, look. Everybody looking TV, so beautiful programs have Rupert Murdoch, a stupid man, and wanna wear people stupid. So, this is a present from Senegal, Serbs from South Serbia in Africa, and call now Senegal drums. It's protector Saint Archangel Michael, king of the angel who fight with dark angel and every day crash day. This protector I will now pray to send me angel 8088 angel to doing this code product to crash all six. Some to know important things. You can't crash nobody six without God. God is the best doctor in the world, in the cosmos, because God is as Father. It's true. How to see assistant is here, yeah, on my body. Let's now to do that, yeah, and we will do that, and we will see how to this product will do, yeah. I will small say you about. Now we will from plastic army put in the glass. It's better for skill. Everybody is natural is better. This what we see on this picture is my picture when I was have 17 years, and this is my daughter Tina and Diana, who was stolen on the court, bad Serbs court. In Serbia is all in the friction bats, but one good soul in all over the world can crush all bats. So that is some stupid. This is Saint Matrona. This is Jesus Christus, Son of the God. This is the Mother of God. This is Saint Seraphim Sarsky, pray God Mother on the stone. This is pray for everybody who come in this home to come in the peace of God angels. This is my protector of house, Saint George. This is my name, what's mean Zivko, what's mean on Serbs. It's all Slovenian Orthodox name, who are very, very old, who love life, love people, and love happy and future. Godmother works, monks from South Serbia, or any call Moscow, Russia. This is Godmother. So, how to see? We will now doing a mix, and all will doing with hands. We will do now pray God, and we'll how explain. We'll finish this project. Okay, I will now pray in my soul for this medicament to God put Saint Spirit and the power to can help you in your break skill or break medicine quality to your body or mind. Okay, thank you God. I was praying now God to doing this medicament in the glory of the God and in the happy of your medicament power, your lives. So I will now do mix, and after will show how it look like this. Okay. Everybody of this product you put about 25 gram or 22 gram. Everybody go inside 22 gram in in this with a spoon. And in the end, cross doing with the saint water and in the saint oil of Nectaria Aginski. Saint oil crash everybody sick, saint water crash everybody sick. So these medicaments put your power. Saint spirit put your soul power. Okay. In the glory of the God, in the part Serbs on the planet Earth, and he call Serbs in the area Jerusalem and Nazareth. So that is brothers and sisters, much pleasure now. And I was doing this receive before 2 years and it's same, but not to do with the saint water and with the saint oil. I was doing Queen Elizabeth II present to living longer in the glory of God and in the glory of better activity queen and a queen helper in the glory of happy in the world. That receive was any wrongs happen. I hope that the wrongs will be moving in better ways and not will be wrongs. Any spams on the YouTube sites, any workers who not professional work in YouTube and delete much videos, delete much money, and pick up for private own interest. This is having every company in the world, and not some in the YouTube. So let's do talking about this medicament. We will now start to put inside, and I hope you will be happy. So you need this for like a knife, and this for how I explain. When you're doing this, you need to pray a God. So some to show you on this map one things. This was born Serbs, Jesus Christus God, Son of the God. This is the territory part of the Serbs. So some to show you to know, listen what Tokyo TV and stupid internet. This have a dark sea and they have 2 towns, Sodom and Gomorrah. This town is God crash because people are living like now, doing stupids. So hope that you not will doing stupid. Everybody in life when you're doing stupid you have a sick. This sick I will now you crash in the glory of the God and with the help angels of Archangel Michael and of God permission. Thank you God, we love you so much. Thank you dear God, and this so beautiful product.